Omwaka gwa 2067 bwanyuma ya gavumenti ya Obote kwihaho amakama, ekyanga kya Tooro kikaza aha rurengo rwa disitulikiti. Omwaka gwa 2074 disitulikiti yabaire neemanywa nka Semuliki ekihwa ahari disitulikiti ya Tooro, kandi omwaka gwa 1980 disitulikiti egi izina ryayo rikahinduka bagyeta Bundibugyo. Disitulikiti ya Bundibugyo neyatana na disitulikiti ya Ntoroko omu Matemba g'obukiika, eyatana na Bunyangabo disitulikiti omu Mashuuma g'obukiika, kandi eyatana na disitulikiti ya Kasese omu Mashuuma hamwe n'ihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo omu Burengero-izooba hamwe n'Amashuuma.
Na muzeeyi witu namushaba Bundibugyo municipality akiteekateekeho Bundibugyo town council agifure municipality ne budget y'enkuuto muzeeyi aso turi kurungi abebembezi bagyenzi bawe abantu mbagamba tutwakora kwihaho esente n'inche ezikwijana enkuuto.
Aha matawuni 5 hamwe n'amagomboro 27 ebyarugire omu kubara kw'abantu kwabona aha b'omwaka ogu nibyoreka ngu disitulikiti ya Bunyangabo neeturwamu abantu 22,145. Omu by'obuhingi n'oburiisa, Bundibugyo nibahinga munonga ekihingwa kya kokowa kandi nikihingwa abantu 9 ahari 100.
Bundibugyo niyo ekuheereza obucwe bw'enshansha obwa kokowa kuruga omu Uganda. So mu Bundibugyo kokuba noyenda kwongera value on the income capita of our people, nobasa kwongera value on cocoa. If you add value on cocoa, then you have added value on household incomes because it will increase on the prices.
And as leaders, you know that the district local government may not have adequate resources, and sometimes the people demand these services from us, the leaders. So we'll come back to you at the ministry, and please don't get tired with us.
Okuhika omu disitulikiti egi hariho emihanda nk'ogwa Fort Portal kuza Ntoroko okahika Bundibugyo, narishi okureeta omu ihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo.
Abantu ni bingi beyond what the capacity of the town council. So I request the government under the leadership of His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni to help us and upgrade Bundibugyo municipality so that we can also increase on service delivery to our people.
Ekitebe kikuru kya disitulikiti egi nikishangwa omu Bundibugyo Town Council, kandi niho hari n'etawuni nkuru eya disitulikiti egi. Omu by'obushubuzi, disitulikiti egi eine obutare 6 obw'amaani oburikushangwa omu Town Council eya Bundibugyo.
Our market bakajombeka 1978 akatwinaka 1978 to date we have tried to maneuver around twayongeramo omwanya egi twateekamu obunanka oburoka bw'oburundi nabo still they are not enough.
Tugezezaako nitubeera n'obutale bubiri wano mu Bundibugyo. Tulina wano Bundibugyo Central Market, nitubeera ne Kajambula. Obutale obwo bwonna tibugendeka kubanga bwali bwetaagisibwa kubeera wamu abasuubuzi tulina abangi.
Disitulikiti egi nehikirwamu empunju kuruga omu Democratic Republic of Congo zitakatwibwa omu madisitulikiti agandi. Omu by'obuhangwa n'obunyakare, disitulikiti ya Bundibugyo neshangwa omu budinginya obwabwamba oburikwebemberwa Martin Ayongi Kanya. Ebyobuhangwa obw'ensi, disitulikiti ya Bundibugyo neemanywa nka disitulikiti y'enshozi n'ebibira, kandi orushozi rwa Rwenzori nirushangwa omu disitulikiti egi hamwe n'irindiro ry'enyamaishwa erya Semuliki Game Reserve. Disitulikiti hoona neshangwamu ebitagata bya Sempaya, kandi oruganda rw'Abatwa nabo nibatuura omu disitulikiti egi.
Mwemanyirira hamwe n'ebitukumalanga Bannabundibugyo kandi Bannabudingya. Aye kwenda kusobola n'egamba nti ebe egitwaikiro ya identity it is now about 70%. Kilimundibujo we were divided into political camps. Babanganzi, and Mundibujo we can agree in order to agree. Your divisions for political camps.
Mu byobwegese disitulikiti ya Bundibugyo ina amasomero ga primary ga gavumenti gani 11 n'omuhendo gw'abaana barukwingana 5,685 hamwe n'amasomero ga secondary agarukwiki 15. Itendekero ry'abasomesa rya primary rya Bundibugyo Primary Teachers College rikachingwa waima ya gavumenti kuchinga amatendekero aga
kushoma kwitu emyaka 2 egiringire performance yitu yayiyongeraho ayiguru okureba Bundibugyo mu mwaka ogwira P7 if not the 16th it was around not in the last, not in the first Kabere in the first 20 districts at the primary level in performance.
Mu by'amagara district egi eine irwariro rumwe erya rurengo rwa district erya Bundibugyo General Hospital, Busaru Health Center ya kana, Busaru Health Center ya kashatu, Mantoroba Health Center ya kabiri hamwe na Mantoroba Health Unit.
Next is for access of health facility services. Then as a town council to next is typhoid. Typhoid Kabere nyingi, and I thank the government for yatuleteramiza amarungi which are very standard boho kugambire sahezi we have the best water system in the region.
Nke byona no barabe biruho abebembeza no bajangu byinji bikine gukorwa okureba ngo abatura ba district egi batunga obuhereza burungi. Abana abari kutwara abakiro bato ni bingi kandi omuzogu gwihira biki bingi omu mashomero gwateganisa n'abasigazi abakiro kushoma. Ekyo kureberaho ebihandiko nibyoreka ngo hagati y'okwezi kubanza no kwa mushanju omwaka okwire amarwaro mu district ya Bundibugyo gakahandika abana 294 ababire nibakebezenda.
Most of their parents eventually went poor. They were concentrating on economic livelihood instead of concentrating on child parenting at that level. Because the survival means is reduced. Looking at this one, you look at the issue of sanitary facilities. It wasn't. Ministry hygiene management, it wasn't.
Abebembezi hona nibenda government abatungira ikorero ryo kutungura omutindo gwa kokowa ekihingwa ekirukukiza kuhingwa omu district eya Bundibugyo.
No basa kongera value on cocoa. If you add value on cocoa, then you have added value on household incomes because it will increase on the prices. Neshaba government under UDC a program ejibeine eyokuteka factora ha Bundibugyo egendo byisho.
Omakuru gitu agacenchwire ntuza kongera kwisyaho obusonsoreke nkobu turukureba ha byanga bitari bimwe na bimwe okwetorora burengero izoba ahabwe kireki gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.